easy questions. Okay.
Easy है, ज़्यादा कुछ. It's not technical at all. It's very simple. So the
Okay.
first question. Actually, I'll not start with the question. I'll just start with introducing Shrimi. She is a CSK fan, and Ria is also like she's a Dhoni fan and an RCB fan. She had a tough match today, but this is how it is. And unfortunately or fortunately, RCB lost today. So I'm very happy about it. So is everyone else in the IPL. Uh, but moving on to the first question, which is, um, let's go back to around 2:30 where the lineups were introduced. Were you surprised to see any changes in your teams? Shrimi, you go first.
Yeah, I thought they'll play at least Shardul, so they'll play. I was sure,
Mhm.
but they didn't play Shardul. But I was okay with new players coming up because as it is, we had nothing to lose,
Right.
so doesn't matter.
क्या ही लूज करोगे?
But
रिया तू बता. क्या है आरसीबी का? क्या है आरसीबी का?
I was very happy with the choice of RCB players. मतलब
हाँ.
उडाना को हटा दिया, वो भी कुछ खास
आज
contribute कर
दशहरा
नहीं
था
रहा
ना.
था.
आज दशहरा था तो इट मेड सेंस टू
That's why I
गो
loved
श्रीलंकन.
that meme where, yeah, I loved that meme. But the thing is कि like I was happy that Moeen Ali was chosen for this game. But पता नहीं क्या हुआ यार फिर.
क्या क्या हुआ? जो होना था वो हो गया. अभी ग्रीन जर्सी पहन
So
ली.
no,
लखनऊ
the
तो
thing
चला
is if
गया.
you see, no, the thing is if you see first innings में pitch different लग रही थी. Like
Yeah,
तुम
everyone
एक
has
ही
the
को
same
देख.
complaint. Every losing team has the same complaint. I'm sure
No,
CSK had
no,
the
the
same
thing
even
is,
complaint in the
Virat
last
Kohli
game.
said the same.
Yeah.
no, if you see AB de Villiers' ka strike rate was around 100, and that is not how he plays after 20 balls. He usually hits boundaries, and
Hmm.
that's why I was like कि मतलब मार ही नहीं पा रहे वो लोग
But
बिल्कुल भी.
do you think that the credit should be given to CSK bowlers also because they also bowled
Yes,
pretty well today?
definitely. Like the
Uh,
not CSK bowlers, but Faf du Plessis. My God, his he is the best fielder like right now in the whole tournament. I'm like, how is he catching those catches? Like it's so difficult to see. Like I can't even imagine me doing that.
yeah, of course. I mean, the ball is so hard. Then it comes to you at a certain degree and certain pace, and it drops on your hands. It hurts because when I mean, even I used to play. बहुत
And
उठता
that
था
too
यार,
with the
डर लगता
sun on
था.
your head. Like
Yeah,
it's
that's
not
so
कि
difficult.
मतलब सिर्फ ऐसे शेड में जाके वो खड़ा हो गया लॉन्ग ऑन पे कि हाँ कैच करना है, नहीं.
Yeah.
धूप में भी उससे बहुत सारे कैचेस पड़े. आई वाज लाइक
And
हाउ.
even the Dubai stadium where the lights are just there in the ring
Hmm.
of fire or something that it's called.
He never
Ve-
misses. Actually, he never does.
Never misses. Very good. I think South Africans are, in general are very fit and
Uh,
good fielding wise.
good fielder. Yeah.
Uh,
He took around 3 catches today, I think.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
pretty good.
two catches. The one
The one
that
was
was
the
given to
leading
Ruturaj was
catch.
also like he catched first and then he passed it on to
हाँ.
Ruturaj.
मतलब
Hmm.
वो
So
उसको
that,
पकड़ लेता तो भी कोई इतनी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती. That he had not touched the boundary though.
Hmm.
But
but ठीक है,
still,
safe
And he's
side.
34. I mean, wow. For someone who's 34, that's tremendous fitness, dude. I think I can see Virat Kohli doing
so
that
good.
at his age. I mean, when he
Yeah.
gets to 34,
Bro,
but he
Virat
drops.
Kohli has dropped too many
But
catches this
yeah, but he
tournament.
drops catches and easy ones. Uh, but moving forward, the next question is: where do you think it went right or wrong for your team? We'll go with CSK again. Where do you think it all clicked for CSK today? Finally.
I think the bowling was good. Like it was good for the spinners actually. The slow balls were like it was good for the team. So bowling obviously went right, but also the batting.
Yeah,
CSK never bats like this, na? Ki
yeah.
they
For the
come,
for the this
they
season at least they weren't that good. But to see them winning by
हाँ,
8 wickets is a huge thing. I think मेरे को लगा ठीक है 6 wicket जाएंगे जीतेंगे आराम से 20 ओवर में. It'll be down to the
No,
last
no,
ball of
but
the.
you're not giving the credit. You're not giving the credit where CSK won by 10 wickets in front of Rajasthan, I guess.
हाँ,
That's one game, no?
obviously
Let's
that.
see. That was a long time
But
back, and that was that
हाँ,
game where
that was
CSK
when
was like
we hoped
they
for.
were out to make an
We
intent.
hope
Yeah,
that
yeah, show some intent.
yeah,
Uh,
we were like
RCB, where do
we'll
you think?
finish.
Yeah, where do you think it went wrong for RCB, Ria?
I think एक तो Aaron Finch. I don't understand. He plays like 20 balls and leaves. I don't know what. what the hell is his problem? Like he will never play. Like he cannot play the whole power play also. Sometimes he leaves.
Yeah.
लाइक उसको लगता है कि मतलब ऐसे 15-20 रन बन गए, मेरा स्ट्राइक रेट अच्छा है, आई विल लीव नाउ. एंड
I
उसके
think
पीछे पीछे देवदत्त आल्सो लीव्स.
No,
the
not
thing with
always.
the thing
Devdutt
with
has a
Finch is,
great record.
yeah, the thing
This
with Finch is,
या बट
I,
देवदत्त हैज लाइक अ कंसिस्टेंसी कि हाँ मतलब वो 50 भी मार सकता है. एरन फिंच 30 रन से ज्यादा मार देना किसी दिन, मैं लड्डू चढ़ाऊंगी. मैं सच में बोल रही हूँ.
he's
it
got
was not
150
a
plus
good day
score.
for Morris also.
He's
मतलब
got
Morris का
150
तो
plus
तभी
score, and that was against Mumbai.
yeah.
But yeah, uh, but I think like Finch is probably the only batsman who basically charges down the wicket to show that he's very attacking and he's going to be there for a long time, and a bowler should be scared of him. But no bowler is scared of him. It's just as simple
You
as
know
that.
that, you know the first over जब एरन फिंच अपने क्रीज से बाहर निकल रहा था, do you know, because he
हाँ.
cannot play in swing very well.
Yeah,
So he came out of the crease and Dhoni was like कि मुझे helmet ला के दो, and he stood behind, just behind the stumps. It was
yeah,
He came.
like a chess thing happening in the first over. And I'm like, what is happening?
yeah. But that's tremendous IQ from Dhoni's end because other teams are just dumb,
हाँ.
I feel. Like you could have done that for, I mean, for your games also. But you choose, but it's
हाँ.
fine. I mean, Finch anyway gives away his wicket. So I don't think there's much to
हम्म.
complain here. But Dhoni was quick to realize it. That's the difference. Uh, but again, like, okay, so for you, Finch is one problem. Other than that, I mean, a lot of things were not going RCB's way today,
Yeah,
especially.
like I had like
Both.
a lot of things. If the Navdeep Saini was given only 1 or 2 overs, I think he should have given a like. And Siraj got hit very badly. He got around 14 or 15 in an over or something like that, and it was a bad day for Siraj as well. He was not given the new ball, and Washington से start किया था the whole innings. So that you know there was this one game where Washington and Chahal like were creating a partnership between them,
It
and
was
they were
against
taking
Mumbai, I feel.
wickets.
That game was
Yeah,
against Mumbai.
I
Yeah.
don't think it was Mumbai, but it was I think some game I cannot remember. But like एक के बाद एक विकेट आ रहा था.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
अगर
They're pretty
वॉशिंगटन
good
एक
together.
विकेट ले
Yeah.
रहा है तो चहल दूसरा. तो वो पार्टनरशिप नहीं बन पाई सारे स्पिनर्स के बीच में. And then like Pacers also didn't do very well. Like they were just getting hit, and uh, I like when you see certain balls and you're like, wow, you cannot hit that ball. You know, it feels a little bit different. But I think Navdeep Saini or Chris Morris came towards the end where one whole over they only scored 2 runs.
Yeah.
I think it was the 17th or 16th over. That Dhoni was on the strike. Dhoni and Rituraj were on strike, and they could only score like 2 runs. So I think Navdeep Saini should have been given like a lot more overs and starting May. And it was just a wrong choice of bowlers, like one
I
after
think
the other. I
the problem here is Virat Kohli overthinks when he has a low score to defend. We've seen this with India also.
Hmm.
And technically with India, he used to have Dhoni at one point. So he was sorted. But now, without the services of Dhoni or someone like Rohit Sharma also as a vice captain, he kind of stutters when it comes to defending low scores. See, 200 रहता है तो वो कर लेता है. When the batsmen have put up a good total on the board, or
You know,
when it comes to batting second.
last night's match between Punjab and Hyderabad was like a huge
Yeah,
standard
yeah,
level that
yeah,
you
yeah,
have to. Yeah, like they have literally saved 126. Like they won by 7 or 6 runs, I think.
yeah. It
Yeah.
was no 7-6
So
नहीं अच्छा
like
10 run से जीते वो लोग. And the thing
10
was
runs.
they
हाँ.
took around 5 wickets or
yeah,
4 wickets for the score
but
of 10.
वही तो बात है, like Hyderabad was winning. They
Yeah,
were winning and
हाँ.
they were not losing wickets in the start, but then they
right.
started losing because KL Rahul started giving the balls to right bowlers at the right
Yeah.
time.
The selection is pretty good. Yeah,
Virat
Yeah,
Kohli was changing the bowlers. Like he wanted a
frequently.
yeah.
breakthrough
There was no
somehow, but
consistency. Like you know,
it
there
didn't
you see
work
there was
out.
no
I
plan
think he
happening.
just
There was just like,
gets
हाँ इसको use को.
yeah he gets too impatient with each of his bowlers. If
Hmm.
he's like I want a wicket in this over itself, I mean, that's good as an aggressive approach when it comes to Test cricket, where you're like, I want to take wickets, I'll make changes, necessary changes. But in T20s, he's just kind of reluctant, where he's like, I need to continuously make changes so that I can get some sort of a breakthrough or I can come into the game some way. He got Chahal, he got that one wicket, he got excited. And then what
Hmm.
happened? He got Morris back, and then it was all gone. Dhoni hit what, two, three, fours of him, and it was all over in that over itself. So, do you think
Hmm.
that moving forward into the tournament, that's one area where RCB need to work upon, to stay strong in the tournament so that they can go to the finals at least?
Um, I don't know.
So, do
Yeah,
you
you
think
go
that that is
to.
a weak link? Do you think that is a weak link in RCB's whole performance
Yeah,
list?
like I definitely think because KKR के match में they were like too good.
Yeah,
Like I felt that these are not RCB bowlers, not at
right.
all. I felt that they were some CSK bowlers or MI bowlers. To be very true, they didn't seem to be RCB bowlers, but this time it felt like I think it was majorly because Siraj he was very good in that match, and this time he was like it didn't feel like he was
He
on
was
his A
awful
game.
all of a sudden. He was back to being
And
Siraj.
yeah, like you give one performance and then you just ruin your second performance. That's not how it goes. There should be a consistency, and also that that the lower batting performance, lower batting order in RCB didn't do much. Like
Right.
after AB got out, it was like bound to happen that Virat Kohli would also get out because there was so much pressure of hitting
Bhaichara.
the ball. Yeah,
Bhaichara
भाईचारा
going.
और ऊपर से they had to they had to score a lot of runs like they
Yeah.
thought कि मतलब
Yeah.
at least 155 170 तक तो 60 70 ज्यादा 160 तक तो पहुंच जाए but हो ही नहीं पाया मारते गए and then they got out so batting performance was also not that great lower batting performance.
Yeah, I mean that's a I feel with RCB their two biggest problems are right now lower batting order. The batsmen after AB de Villiers, they don't generally play well. Chris Morris at times
But
can play.
lower batting performance is not like always because if you see Chris Morris one time had hit 7 balls for
That's what, like
25
some,
runs I
if
guess.
you leave someone
Like
like Chris Morris and
it
Washington
is
Sundar
not
apart.
that bad, but it is not consistent. What I would say,
Yeah, like
like
if
they always rely on Virat Kohli or AD to score runs, which I don't think is cool because
yeah,
Aaron Finch gets. I have a big problem with this Aaron Finch. He is the Australian captain, right? He's the Australian T20 captain. But what are you doing, man? Why are you not
I don't
contributing
see
to your
him.
RCB
I
team?
don't see him performing well in the subcontinent for some reason at all. He never performs well when it comes to playing here in India, in Dubai, in probably Sri Lanka. He gets stuck, and then he's too this thing. He goes to and fro all the time. He's too vibrant, where he's like, I don't know what to do. Very confused kind of person. But again, moving
But I
forward,
think it was Virat Kohli's fault also. Somewhere like not like बहुत ज़्यादा, but why मतलब he didn't have to play that shot. He knew that he was the only batsman that he could have hit like a lot of more boundaries if he would have stayed at least even for an over.
yeah.
So
Yeah, but there's this certain pressure that comes on you relying on the other good batsmen that you have in your team already. Like that these batsmen with Washington Sundar can play very well, and Chris Morris can
Shivam
play
Dubey
very
also.
well. Yeah,
mm,
Shivam Dubey was not playing this
actually,
Oh, today, sorry,
time.
he was not playing today. But
Yeah,
he
he was not
generally
playing.
plays well.
Moin
I
Ali was
think.
there in his place. Moin Ali and Gurkeerat.
Yeah.
So that's why, like, he knew that his other players would also contribute, but they did. Like, they were not on their A game, what I will say. And the pitch, obviously, the pitch because it looked very, very different. And like you, like there was no how to tell you, the no boundary like in in a like for a long time, like for 5 overs, I think there was not a single boundary.
Yeah.
It was only one
there
and
it was.
twos between ABD and Virat.
I think the
That was
toss
also remarkable. If you
also
can't
mattered a
hit,
lot.
they were at
Yeah.
least trying to
It's difficult to
steal.
judge the pitches, to be fair. I mean, Dhoni, when he lost the toss, he said, I would have liked to bat first. And,
Hmm. Actually.
by the time he came out to bat, and the pitch was good for batting. So you don't know what's going to happen, how's it going to happen. Same with CSK Mumbai match. Mumbai takes
Hmm.
4 wickets for 3 runs. CSK scramble. वो तो ठीक है, Mumbai leaked runs later on. That's why CSK crossed 100. Otherwise, CSK
Hmm.
were well on course to finish below 100 something. Uh,
Hmm.
but again, Mumbai came out to bat. Within 12 overs, the game was over. The ball was coming onto the bat.
Hmm.
किशन मार रहा है, तोड़ रहा है, वो मार भी नहीं रहा है, तोड़ रहा है. Quinton de Kock is
It
I
was
also.
like
don't understand. No, I don't understand. ये टेबल में जितने भी छोटी छोटी टीम्स होती हैं, मतलब जो छोटी टीम्स जो नीचे चली गई होती हैं, they don't let ऊपर वाली टीम्स को win because they want to qualify. Now go and see today's the match that is going right now. Rajasthan is not going to let MI win easily because it
हाँ.
looks like that.
And against Rajasthan, Mumbai doesn't have a great record. But again, like they do have a great record. It's just that sometimes against Rajasthan, they seem to stutter a bit. But today, again, I feel that Pollard is a good captain. He's a very good captain. He's a good.
we
Uh,
try to add drama, no, in IPL. Our teams
yeah,
try to add drama so
yeah,
that
yeah.
it's not.
But we've seen this. I mean, let's hope for the best. क्या चल रहा है मालूम नहीं, but देखते
Yeah.
हैं. Next question is, who do you think was that key player today for both of you?
I like if we see now, of course, Ruturaj was, but I think Fab was also equally, because if he didn't take those catches, we might have lost. The score could have gone a lot higher than it was.
Right, right.
So it, so I would say equal, but yeah.
Priya,
Uh, for me, I think no one did that well. Fielding भी बहुत खास थी नहीं हमारी, because like if you see Dhoni's placement in the first innings, it was too good. Like they had slips and all, and they were keeping on mid off में भी सही से वो लोग fielders use कर रहे थे. But like in the second innings, in the RCB innings, I don't think they used the fielders correctly. So for me, I think it's Virat Kohli only because he scored the most runs, and like 50 runs, I think he scored 50 and 51 something.
yeah, 50 or 40.
Otherwise, AB, if AB had 100 ka strike rate, so that was like kaise, because he had played already 35 balls and he got out on 36 that time.
I think
So
Chahal also did his part, like, whatever he could.
yeah,
Chahal was also,
yeah,
yeah.
Yeah. The next question
yeah.
is
Chahal did very good death bowling, I think. Yeah,
Chahal
he's
is
not a
decent.
death
Chahal,
He's
bowler.
a superstar.
He's not a death
uh,
bowler as said by Dhoni, but
he's
he was
not.
very good.
The thing is, अभी वो चिन्नस्वामी खेलता है तो छोटा ग्राउंड है, उधर मार पड़ती है. But otherwise, if you give him a big ground to play at, he won't. Generally, he'll get you wickets because वो leg spinner है तो flight
Can
करके
I
wicket
just
निकाल लेगा.
say, yeah, can I just say this IPL 2020 is made for bowlers only, because I don't think batsmen are doing that great. Like, every innings you get to see a very good score, because 200 तो cross किसी से नहीं हो रहा है, अब तो किसी से भी
अभी
नहीं
नहीं
हो
हो
रहा
रहा. But that was the prediction for the tournament itself. First 7 to
the
10
pitch,
है.
matches. It's going to be good. The
So
pitches for
it's a
batting.
bowlers tournament, I guess. Yeah.
अभी हो गया है bowlers to. अभी it's more like tactical rather than just bowlers tournament. A
mm,
lot goes
mm,
down to how do you bat and how do you bowl. Because if you look at Mumbai, they have been playing well in terms of batting also. If they were batting against CSK yesterday, I'm sure they would have crossed 160, 170. Because see, 200 is far-fetched for now because the pitches are not that great. But the way they were playing, they would have easily like crossed, toppled that score. Delhi, again, I feel that Delhi is starting to look a bit nervy right now, but I mean, hota hai. It's
mm,
just business end of the tournament. It's just things
Yeah,
going by.
agreed. Like Delhi, I really like Rabada. In Delhi,
He's
I
too
really
good.
like Rabada.
Too
I
good.
think
I
Rabada
was
should
seeing
come
his
to
stats.
RCB.
of course.
22 games, mein he has 44, 46 wickets in the last 2 years. And
I
in the
know.
same
I
time,
also saw.
Bumrah has played 37, 38 games or something. He has the same amount of wickets. So it just shows you how lethal Rabada is. He somehow gets it.
I think yeah,
Mm.
Jofra Archer is also very
But he
Archer.
goes expensive. I mean,
like you
Rabada
can
and
rely
Roman,
on.
they're economical, but Archer is he goes for runs because he's that kind of a bowler. He's a strike bowler. Shami के जैसा
Hmm.
उसका थोड़ा. He's the Shami of Rajasthan. Uh, yeah. This next part is very interesting. This is the roast part where you get to roast each other's teams. So shoot
Oh, of
whoever
course,
wants to
it
go
had to
first.
be this season.
Oh, that
Hmm.
this is the best. Okay, fine,
It could be for
enjoyable.
today's match or season or whatever. Like just roast your
My
give them
God.
all the shit you can give them.
Dia, you
I
can't because
think
you also support CSK, so just keep that in mind, okay?
that's that. Okay, I can do that. Okay, please.
Hey,
I
she
think I
supports
should give
Dhoni,
be
okay?
given this
She's a
opportunity.
Dhoni supporter.
No, you support your
She's
CSK
a
now. I'm
CSK
supporting my
fan.
RCB. I will support
Okay, go
CSK
first.
when next match comes.
Okay.
So I think I will start by roasting by saying that इमरान ताहिर शर्मी के घर से रन अप लेके फिर बॉलिंग करता है.
रोज द टीम यार
How is
इमरान
that a
ताहिर क्या है
roast?
इमरान ताहिर क्या ही
That's a very good joke. That Arhan only cracked that day. Okay,
yeah I
he
said
was
no
like कि उधर पिछली बार पे. That's your joke.
I said ये ड्रेसिंग रूम से
I'm
भाग के
using.
आता है
वो टीवी के लिटरली बाहर से दौड़ के आता है कि समझ में
दिखता
भी
भी
नहीं
नहीं है
आता है.
मालूम ही नहीं पड़ता बॉलर है कि नहीं वेरी स्मार्ट वेरी
हाँ,
स्मार्ट इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू गेट हिम हिज एक्शन क्या कर रहा है वो लेग स्पिन डालेगा या दूसरा डालेगा Shimi, what
Good
roles do
bowler.
you have for RCB? I think there are a lot of roles for RCB. The amount of people that have come
I
on this podcast and roasted RCB, I have a list. I can make a
please
comparison.
Shah Bahan, we don't need you. We don't need you. Now you can go.
Mumbai is
Please.
playing well, oh, 90 for 2.
Okay. So I'll say what I said that
Because yeah,
today RCB played like it has been playing from season one. So yeah.
big on.
Yeah, it was
But
very
Adi,
difficult to understand whether RCB was playing their normal game or CSK was playing their normal game after a long time.
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah. Back to the
agreed.
basics. Virat Kohli was tremendous with his captain sarcasm. Dhoni was, I mean, Dhoni was Dhoni today.
Dhoni was. Dhoni is always Dhoni. Dhoni is great.
We should do a
Even
We should do a
Virat
Dhoni
excelled.
session also with all the hardcore Dhoni fans someday. But for today,
Please
So
um,
when
let's
Virat
do a
came, like
Dhoni
after the match,
stream.
Virat was like, I don't know what happened to the pitch. We were struggling and they got. I was like, yeah, yeah, of course.
I somehow feel his reasons are never justified. Never. I have never understood. जब इंडिया के लिए करता है तब अच्छे रीजन देता है ना इट्स नॉट बायसनेस बट इट्स जस्ट मतलब नहीं समझता है मुझे व्हाट इज ही सेइंग यू लुक एट धोनी
वो
ही बी
देता
लाइक
नहीं है सही से.
हाँ
He
मतलब
just says stuff.
धोनी सच बोल के आता है कि नहीं जमा भाई आज नहीं हुआ भाई माफ कर दो भाई
Hmm.
नहीं कर रहे हमारे नहीं हो रहा है नहीं इट्स नॉट क्लिकिंग व्हाट डू आई डू मैं क्या बोलूं आके तुम्हारे पास and it's just difficult to
Yeah.
like I always used to look back at RCB's post-match press conferences in the last few seasons, last 4 seasons especially when they have not qualified at all. और मैं यही सोचता था कि आज क्या बोलेगा क्या ही बोलेगा आज खुद भी तो नहीं खेल रहा है मतलब इट्स लाइक इफ यू डोंट प्ले योरसेल्फ तुम टीम के लिए क्या बोलोगे फिर तो इट्स लाइक हाउ धोनी said last time that youngsters are not clicking but it was unfair because you are also not being able to play. It's
हाँ.
difficult for the captain. I mean, the post-match press conferences are difficult to handle, dude. Honestly,
I didn't
I think,
like what he said about the youngsters because it was wrong.
yeah,
You
it
never
was,
you never gave them also like
yeah. You
quite a
can't
few.
like prove yourself in 1 or 2 games.
Honestly saying, only his youngsters and Fab du Plessis are performing in his team.
Faf also
Sam
starting
Curran
to
and Fab du
perform. Now he's
Plessis.
failed away. Faf क्या खेल रहा है
हाँ.
भाई?
Is
He
Faf
also
fielding
good.
कर
no,
देता है.
he's
But at
performing
least he
now
does
as a
the
fielder,
fielding properly. So
yeah, like he is a good fielder, but also like power play में, if he like today he was given the correct power player of the match. So
Yeah.
he had hit like 15 balls for 25, 23 runs. So It was
वो
good. Like
start
he's a
अच्छा
good
मिला ना,
start.
that's why
Yeah.
we could,
He's a good
Otherwise
opening
CSK has never used power play अच्छे से, कभी नहीं, CSK never used power play अच्छे से.
Yeah.
हाँ.
So the next question generally is, what do you think is going to happen when the teams face off each other next time? But since the second match is also done, I'll
Hmm.
ask you your predictions for your own team by the end of the playoffs, before the playoffs. Where do you think is CSK going to finish? Is it 8th, 7th,
Yeah,
6th,
it's
5th?
yeah. How much does it even matter? But yeah, it will not be last. Okay, that's we should always say as fans that
Give me
it
give
will
me a
not be
final number. What, 7th, 6th, 5th? What do you think is well within CSK's reach?
sixth
They're
or
7th right now.
seventh. It will.
The 7th right now.
Oh,
Rajasthan is last and Mumbai is playing well. So it's, I mean, you could
so
judge
it would be
based on
sixth
that.
or seventh, not fifth. The
Fair
sixth or
enough.
seventh they could.
Riya Tiwari, what do you think
No,
is
first. She will
RCB's
say
final
first.
position? I'm waiting for
I
this.
really want RCB to come second. See, first,
No,
so it
realistic. See,
cannot come.
this
I
is
know
something
because
you
of the
want.
Mumbai
No,
Indians. They
I don't
have
want.
no,
I don't want to know your
shut up,
want.
shut up,
I.
Anand. No, no. It's the Mumbai Indians का run rate I'm very, very jealous of. Why is
Yeah.
the run rate in +1? I don't understand. What do they want to do of that
See,
run rate?
if
Do they
RCB would
want?
have been,
No,
I'll
no,
tell you why. I'll tell you why. If RCB would have been able to close that 200 game and not like
Hmm.
cunts take it till the super over and give Mumbai 90 runs in the last 5 overs, then Mumbai ka net run rate would have surely been somewhere around 0.5 or something. But again, Mumbai is Mumbai. वो manage कर लेते हैं. If nothing, they'll at least manage the net run rate. But
Yeah, that's why
RCB
it feels
realistic
fake
position.
Mumbai
sometimes.
has
How
had
can
Realistic.
Mumbai
Mumbai.
always none?
Yeah, no, Mumbai has had massive victories, like
Yeah.
50 runs, 60 runs, that kind of victories. And RCB starting May was losing by 80 runs, 60 runs,
Yeah, the Punjab
and
match really affected them, if anything.
yeah, like,
Hmm.
and then right now I think their run rate is 0.08,
तो कम हो गया ना आज.
and
Plus, फिर plus
मतलब
में है.
ज्यादा कम नहीं हुआ,
But हुआ
but
है.
लेकिन
Yeah.
हाँ, बस सेकंड पोजीशन पे पहुंचना है किसी तरह.
That's
प्लीज
no, that's
भगवान
something you
28.
want. No, realistically, what do you think is achievable?
I just want Delhi to lose 2-3 matches. Please
See, I'll
pray
give
to
you
God.
this
Everybody.
that Delhi is losing
Please
form.
wish for Mumbai. Don't
Delhi is
wish for
losing
Delhi.
form. I'll tell you, Delhi is losing form somewhere.
Actually it
नहीं,
is.
something उनका issue चल रहा है अभी. मुंबई don't even think about कि मुंबई third finish करेगा, ठीक है? सो जाना उसके पहले. But if there is a
Mumbai is
case of
first या second में ही कुछ रहेगी. Mumbai is going to play 2 matches, that is for sure. Finals का बाद में देखेंगे, लेकिन the 2 playoffs का matches they
so
are
you're saying
definitely
second
playing.
is ideal for RCB. हो सकता है. Achievable.
हाँ.
Cool.
हो तो सकता है, but I guess Mumbai is first.
Everyone, dude, I can't believe that when RCB is chasing 84 to win, people are still doubting RCB. They're like, what if KKR take wickets? I've never seen a team, you know, no
Yeah.
one believes in them. Matlab, if they win, it's truly going to be 2020. Like it's going to come down to 2020 ही mother चोद
It's be like 2020 था तो.
हो गया. मतलब क्या ही कर सकते हैं.
We're gonna say that about CSK also. If like 2020
People
था
have
ना तो
already said
खराब
that
होना ही
about
था.
CSK.
Yeah.
It's just like that.
Honestly, I don't want KKR to come fourth. एक तो they don't win
I want
अच्छे से,
Punjab.
ठीक है?
I
They,
want Punjab to win, and they
yeah,
are
I would
on the
really
track to
like
win.
Punjab to like come fourth because they are playing अच्छे से now.
They
If you
they
see,
beat
like they are
all the
giving their
top three teams,
best.
I
dude.
mean,
Like
KL Rahul deserves it.
KKR, there
I
is no
mean,
KKR के साथ there is no like effort like कि जीत गए तो हाँ चलो ठीक है जीत गए, हार गए तो चलो अच्छा ठीक है हार गए, मतलब उतना कोई एफर्ट नहीं लगता उनकी तरफ.
KKR को ढीली लगती है मेरे को. They like हाँ आया पैसा मिल रहा है
I
खेल
don't
लेना.
like KKR.
शाहरुख आया
I
आज
don't
ठीक है.
understand how it's sold.
KKR
Yesterday
fans also. KKR fans are like, we support KKR because of Shah Rukh Khan.
yeah,
No, they
When
support
KKR
because of
wins,
Shah Rukh Khan,
lot of people.
not because of their players,
and when
not
KKR
because of
wins,
how they
the
play.
photo of Shah Rukh Khan in
Yeah,
their
Yeah,
stories. Like, what logic?
they are more excited to see Shah Rukh Khan come to the stadium than to see their players play well. That's the funniest bit. I never
every
understood
time.
KKR fans. No one says that, oh, I'm Ambani's fan, that's why I support Mumbai. Or, I'm Sachin's fan, that's why I support Mumbai. But Sachin to retire bhi ho gaya
Hmm.
na abhi. Still people
Hmm.
support Mumbai, and I feel that
हाँ,
RCB and Mumbai are two teams, and CSK also, where the fans actually like the team. It's
हाँ.
they're connected to the team somewhere, and that's why they support them. It's not like specific
Although
for one
Like
team.
they
RCB
know
lost
about
for
their
so
team.
many seasons.
Like if you see RCB, CSK, and MI fans, they know about their teams. Like
Yeah.
who is playing, who is not playing, who is doing a good job, who is not doing. Like KKR fans, you won't see what they're doing, what they're not doing. It's like जीत गए, very good. नहीं जीते, ठीक है, अब क्या ही कर सकते हैं. There's no like excitement नहीं होती है उनके अंदर.
हम्म।
Yeah, true.
तो चलो हो गया सेशन वैसे 7
Cool.
मिनट बचा है. मस्त मजा आया मेरे को. Because actually I had a fun after a very long time किसी सेशन पे, because
Uh-huh.
there are a lot of new people who come who we don't know, kind of strangers. तो उनके साथ it's not
Hmm.
easy to break the barrier, so they are not free enough to talk. But I mean, when it's football it happens. क्रिकेट में सब इज्जत से बात करते हैं, जेंटलमैन जैसे.
हाँ,
फुटबॉल में आके
थोड़ा.
सबके कपड़े उतर जाते हैं ना, सब राड़ा
हाँ,
राड़ा करने को आ जाते हैं इधर, हर कोई रोस्ट कर देता है. नाइस,
हाँ.
फुटबॉल इज
फुटबॉल में
इंटरेस्टिंग.
ज्यादा दिल
दिल
से
पे
बोलते
लगती है
हैं
वो
उसमें
चोट,
ज्यादा. हाँ, राइट,
काफी गहरी चोट लगती है वो. कल तो मैं
राइट.
जीत गया तो मेरे को प्रॉब्लम, तो मुंबई जीत रही है, रियल मैड्रिड जीत रही है,
God.
एंड आई वाज सो अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट ऑल दीज डेज कि व्हाट इफ मुंबई लूज एंड व्हाट इफ दे आल्सो लूज, क्योंकि मेरे को
I
डर
was
इस बात
very
का था.
underconfident yesterday, but मुंबई का तो I am like जीतेगी, क्या ही अब कर सकते हैं.
क्या ही.
Arhan, if Mumbai loses today, CSK is out of the whole tournament.
हाँ.
Like
या
mathematically,
तो
CSK
इन
is
शॉर्ट्स
out
पे
of the
पढ़ा ना
whole
तूने,
tournament.
इन शॉर्ट्स पे पढ़ा ना,
हाँ?
इन शॉर्ट्स पे
नहीं, मैंने अभी उस पे देखा था, वो बायजूस क्रिकेट लाइव
ओ
पे.
बायजूस तो लंडे में. क्यों बनाया
Yeah,
है, खुद को क्या समझते मालूम नहीं
but
वो.
I really see. I want Rajasthan to win just because क्योंकि अभी मुंबई का भी, आरसीबी का भी और दिल्ली का भी 11-11 मैच हो गया है, and they've all scored
Basically, हाँ.
14
Basically, Ria wants
14 points हो गए.
uncertainties. He
नहीं,
doesn't want
that's what my
Yes.
friend also
anything to
told
be
me yesterday.
certain yet.
He's like, look how Mumbai loses tomorrow and RCB will also lose because IPL अभी इंटरेस्टिंग करेगा. सबको 4-4 मैच हरा देगा, मतलब ऊपर भी कंपटीशन चलेगा और नीचे भी कंपटीशन चलेगा if Rajasthan win. So that was their idea. They like CSK को खुद को होप्स नहीं है तो CSK गांड बनाने जाए. तो मतलब ये इनमें खेलेगा अभी राजस्थान, पंजाब और केकेआर में.
Hmm.
बट आई थिंक पंजाब हो जाएगा आराम से. द वे दे आर प्लेइंग, it's not easy to
Yeah,
I think it
beat
should
the
be
my
also.
teams.
bet is
Matlab,
also
KL
on Punjab.
Rahul is the one batsman who has played like her match में he has tried to play.
His captaincy is so good.
Hmm.
Like a lot of people compare, even I compared Shreyas Iyer to KL Rahul, but now I realize
हाँ.
that KL Rahul is a much better captain. Shreyas Iyer, I honestly feel ऐसा लगता है रिकी पॉन्टिंग उसको वहां से इशारे करता है कि तू करिए. वो
हाँ,
बच्चा है ना.
उसके पास सपोर्ट है.
हाँ
लाइक क्या कहते हैं, श्रेयस अय्यर के पास सपोर्ट है क्योंकि उससे पहले गौतम गंभीर भी था
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
दिल्ली में, and he was like trained by Gautam Gambhir, and then Ricky Ponting was also there.
मोहम्मद कैफ
So
भी है.
that's why
So,
like
yeah.
Shreyas Iyer लगता है कि he is completely prepared and everything, but like but KL Rahul, I don't think Anil Kumble उतना कुछ help करता होगा उसका.
Yeah, Anil Kumble outside the pitch he helps, not when he's on the pitch.
Yeah,
On the
like
pitch,
that
KL is the answer.
captaincy thing,
Yeah.
yeah, like when like it is KL Rahul's decisions that
दिखता है
make
it's
him win
visible
like
sometimes
his.
with players. Someone like
Yeah,
Dhoni,
but Shreyas
KL.
Iyer is majorly dependent on, I think, his coaches and all.
Yeah,
हाँ,
yeah.
he is younger also and like he hasn't been on the pitch that much also, I think, with the
But I think he'll be a good captain. Like in future, if he's
हाँ, he's
Indian
young
captain,
also.
I don't mind him
He's a
being a
I
Indian
हाँ,
captain.
believe
he
in
has
he has the
all
He's very
potential
good
the
to
also.
be.
Like
Yeah. और वो कीपर भी है, and keeper has a good sense of captaincy. Any keeper for that matter.
he's a good player also. Like a batsman also, he's very
Batsman,
good. He's
fielder,
consistent.
keeping भी कर लेता है,
He's
सब
a
कर
very
लेता है.
consistent player.
And he's
Like
a
कि हाँ अगर
marketable person like Kohli.
yeah.
So he'll sell also technically. And people talk about his
हाँ.
stats and everything compared to his age. But I mean Rohit Sharma के बारे में no one expected him when once he reached 28 that he's going to perform well. But
हाँ.
he's doing it now. You know,
But he's
2013
doing a
he
great
started
job.
opening and तोड़ रहा है मतलब बंदा. He's probably one
Yeah.
of the best ODI batsmen. As good as
Yeah,
Virat
even I
Kohli, if
was
not
like,
better.
it's over for him, but then
Yeah, then he came back. I think that whole Champions Trophy was very decisive. Rohit Sharma,
uh,
Shikhar Dhawan, विराट कोहली वो टॉप थ्री उधर सेट हो गया. मतलब समटाइम्स व्हेन यू लुक बैक एट
Yeah.
दैट एंड लाइक फक हमारे पास क्या टॉप थ्री है. मतलब सामने वाला बेहोश हो जाए वहां पे चड्डी में सुसु कर दे.
actually.
But Shikhar Dhawan is also in form now.
200 मार रहा है भाई. मजाक चल रहा है क्या?
भाई
उसको लग रहा है
एक
आईसीसी
के
वर्ल्ड
बाद
कप चल
एक.
रहा है. आईसीसी
हाँ,
टूर्नामेंट चल रहा है आज
तो
मारता हूँ मैं. आई हैव नेवर सीन हिम आउट नॉट परफॉर्म इन एन आईसीसी टूर्नामेंट. बीट एनी टूर्नामेंट. आएगा तोड़ के
No,
जाएगा.
he performed in the World Cup and then he got hurt and then he
हाँ वो
left.
तो if he got injured no that's why otherwise
Yeah.
इंडिया जीत जाता. मैं
obviously.
बोल रहा हूँ इंडिया जीत जाता अगर शिखर धवन रहता तो. फिर वो गोची हो गए ऊपर. टेंशन आ गया ऊपर कौन खेलेगा कैसे खेलेगा. बट रोहित प्लेड वेल सरप्राइजिंगली. आईसीसी में इतना अच्छा नहीं करता. विराट कोहली डजंट स्टेप अप डूड. वो आई फील दैट हो गया उसका टाइम. उसको नहीं रखना चाहिए कैप्टन. ही इज गुड एज अ प्लेयर. यू नो व्हेन धोनी वाज देयर they won with Virat Kohli as a player as a vice captain.
Play.
Yeah.
Mm.
Test he is good, no doubt. Test, I think Virat Kohli is
Mm.
the better captain than anyone.
See, Virat Kohli is very good when he consults his teammates. Like,
हाँ हाँ.
जब teammates के साथ वो पूरा plan करता है तब he is very good. But if he starts planning on his own without consulting anyone,
तो
that is when things go wrong way.
गफला.
Like, yeah, if
उसका दिल्ली आ जाता है
yeah,
अंदर का. Then he becomes a Delhi boy.
mm,
चांदनी चौक
Mm.
बाहर निकलता है उसका.
yeah. I heard
उसको
that
थोड़ा
no,
अलग
I
है.
heard that Ishant Sharma is also retiring from IPL. Somewhere I read.
वो ईशान
So
शर्मा
I
Mm,
was
बोल
like,
रहा
I
था
don't
एक
know.
बार कि विराट कोहली इज सो रेस्टलेस. इफ यू डोंट गिव हिम विकेट्स इन द फर्स्ट ओवर इज लाइक क्या कर रहे हो क्या कर रहे हो. मैंने इसलिए अरे भाई रुक थोड़ा गर्म तो होने दे. ऐसे कैसे मतलब. ऐसे फास्ट बॉलर ऐसे पहले बॉल पे थोड़ी करेगा. मतलब थोड़ा भाई स्पेस तो दे हमको. तू भी कौन सा आके पहले बॉल से छक्का जड़ता है करके. वो सही है. चलो
that one time, yeah,
ये 1 मिनट बचा है अभी. बाय बाय बोल देता हूँ.
एक
मेरे को
मिनट
भूख
से
भी
कम
लगी है.
बचा है.